In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create arrow animations in CapCut PC. If you want to point out important data, formulas, menus, or anything else in a screen recording with a clean moving graphic, this is one of the easiest ways to do it. The great thing about this method is that it's simple, fast, and looks polished without needing any complicated keyframing. To get started, the first thing you need is your arrow graphic. Move to the top left area of CapCut and click on the stickers icon. Once the sticker panel opens, you can either use the search box to quickly look for an arrow or browse through the emphasis category on the side if you want to explore a few options. Choose an arrow that looks clean and easy to notice on screen. After that, click and drag the sticker down onto your timeline, placing it on the track directly above your main screen capture footage. Keeping it above your footage makes sure the arrow appears on top of the video and stays visible. Now that the arrow is on the timeline, it's time to position it correctly before adding animation. Click on the arrow sticker clip so it's selected, then look at the preview window in the center of the screen. You'll see a bounding box around the arrow. Drag the corners to resize it so it fits your shot without overpowering the content. If the arrow needs to point in a specific direction, use the rotation handle to twist it until it lines up exactly with the cell, button, or area you want to highlight. Then drag the whole arrow into place so it sits neatly beside the target. Taking a few extra seconds here really helps the final result feel precise and intentional. Once the placement looks good, you can animate it. With the sticker still selected, go to the top right Properties panel and open the Animation tab. In the In section, choose the Bounce In preset. This gives the arrow a nice springy entrance that immediately draws attention. Then switch to the Out section and select Bounce Out so the arrow exits with the same polished feel. After that, adjust the duration slider at the bottom to control how quickly the bounce happens. Dragging it one way or the other lets you fine-tune the speed until it matches your editing style and the pace of your video. And that's it. You've opened the Stickers panel, placed your arrow on the timeline, aligned it on the preview canvas, and added Bounce In and Bounce Out animations with the right timing. A few quick moves and your screen capture instantly becomes clearer and more professional.